What's up, guys?
It's your girl Abby
Capo here.
and today we will be dancing to Shenseea. Wine. Yeah, rock out that. So the reason why we look so beat out, even though we're full of energy, is because we were practicing for you guys. So without further ado,
You're gonna see us in action, guys. So let's get right to our
make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new,
and comment
how we
share.
did. Yeah.
Share the video.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
And remember, guys, Shenseea is a dancehall artist for you guys who don't know. So, and she's one of the youngest and baddest.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So stay tuned.
Get the cheerleaders them some space. Shenseea, walk one.
Wine me away. Wine me away. Wine me away. Every girl feel a wine. Girl rock out and wine. Every man grab a girl 'cause the dagger in time. We a party and enjoy the vibe. Girl wine. Slow down, bust a slow wine. Boy, come grind up your body pan mine. See me position so your body can align. Tick tock, like a me a tell time. Follow the lead of me motion, smooth like a lotion. Belly just a roll like the waves of the ocean. Talk, we attack the words we unspoken. Rape and a rise a commotion. Hip top, no broke your neck back. No woman of the night, nobody can stop you. Do you wanna sing, them can't counteract you. Such a two when I bend over low. Every girl feel wine. Girl rock out and wine. Every man grab a girl 'cause the dagger in time. We a party and enjoy the vibe. Girl wine. Funny beats, everybody catch funny beats. Hold on pon your man, catch funny beats. Some girl now wine them no know the man, but this a no meet and greet. So every girl when a shy, you know your body good move like you're determined for broke off.
That's the end of the video. Bye, guys.